Welcome to our channel. Snapchat doesn't maintain traditional call logs like phone services do, but you can view your call history within the app. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access your Snapchat call information. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Swipe right from the camera screen or tap the chat bubble icon at the bottom left corner to open your chat feed. This shows all your conversations and recent activity. Step 3. Scroll through your chat feed to see recent calls. Video and voice calls appear in the chat history with each contact marked with phone or video icons. Step 4. To view detailed information about a specific call, tap on the chat with that person. Scroll up through the conversation history to see past call records. Step 5. Snapchat doesn't provide a built-in feature to export call logs directly. However, you can request your data from Snapchat, which includes some call information. Step 6. To request your Snapchat data, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the camera screen. Then tap the gear icon to open settings. Step 7. Scroll down to Account Actions and select My Data. This is where you can request a download of your account information. Step 8. Tap Submit Request at the bottom of the My Data page. Snapchat will compile your data, which may take up to 24 hours. Step 9. Check your email for a link from Snapchat when your data is ready. Click the link and log in to download your data package. Step 10. Extract the downloaded zip file and look for call-related information in the included JSON files. This data may include timestamps and participants, but not full call logs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.